folks, Chris here, and well, hell, another beautiful day in the Dallas area. Um, well, today, because of the crappy weather, I'm getting into my get it done later bucket. I'm sure if you've been scrapping any time at all, you've got one of these buckets filled with stuff you just said you'd get to later. Well, been looking through my bucket and asking myself, is this stuff even worth the time? So I'm going to make a quick little video on is it worth your time scrapping a small little motor out of a microwave?
Cowing around, crushing the stalks, stomping about, stamping the crop, knocking the salt, underhoot, punching the hay, laying to waste. Cowboy in the woods, chlorine out into the line, spinning in a field of green, chlorine and spinning those crazy cows. Cowboy in the woods, chlorine out into the light, spinning in a field of green, chlorine and spinning those crazy cows. Hey Daisy, you're crowding my picnic. Hey Esmeralda, don't come any closer. Swirtle, wordle, I'll see ya. Cowboy in the woods, chlorine out into the light, spinning in a field of green, chlorine and spinning those crazy cows. Cowboy in the woods, chlorine out into the light, spinning in a field of green, chlorine and spinning those crazy cows. Cowboy, 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 did I know? Cowboy, 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 did I know?
Hey folks, I've been doing this a long time and I've always had the mentality of strip everything, scrap everything. I've got plenty of time. Well, I've been reevaluating my time and I've got a lot of stuff to do around my house. And I also want the time to relax and enjoy my weekends instead of sitting here scrapping, stripping, whatever. I think it is worth it just throwing a little motor into a bucket and taking my 2 cents rather than spending that extra 3 minutes and tear it apart and make 4 cents. There's a lot I can do in that 3 minutes. And I'm going to prove it after I make this video because I'm going to make another little video because I got to go buy some nasty ass cigarettes. I'm sorry I'm a smoker. But I guarantee in this 10-15 minutes, just going down a few alleys, I can find a lot more scrap that replace this little 4 cents I'm missing. And I wanted to add, I'm not trying to persuade anyone to do things one way or the other. I mean, if you got the time, you got the time. I hope you take something out of this. I hope you enjoyed it just a little. Subscribe if you want or not. I really don't care. I'm not doing this for fortune and fame. I'm never going to make money at this or anything like that. I'm just trying to share good and accurate information on YouTube because it seems we're lacking that.
I'm going to keep this short and keep you YouTuber police off my back with a few disclaimers. Number one, scrap value is always the lowest price for an item, just above garbage. So if you bring something home and it works or has working parts, consider selling it on Craigslist, eBay. That's actually how I make a lot of money. Number two, scrap prices change with the stock market. Good rule of thumb, like I stated, but not fact. When oil prices are high, usually scrap prices go up, and then vice versa. For the purpose of this video, I just stated the prices from the last trip I made, so they're not going to be your prices. So I'm just using these as comparisons for the video. Number three, come on, use common sense. We're working with metals. They're sharp. They have sharp edges. Wear gloves, protective eye gear. Do what you need to do to keep yourself from going to the hospital and cutting to any profit you might make.